What's up with it, vanilla face? Today, I'll show you how to not play this game.
The metal you heard is probably him running up on the roof, dude.
Yeah, he was on the stairs on the roof.
Do you want to go on the roof?
Not really, but I want to make sure he's not peeking us.
I'm going on the roof.
I'm watching the...
Yeah. When you peek that door, by the way, Kamal,
I'll open it.
it's up. Good luck. It's very dangerous.
Two guys on the roof, I killed one. One more.
Okay.
Coming. Go back. I'm helping.
Okay.
Well, he hit me a little.
Come on, meters in where?
E dă bările alea de metal în pula mea, după alea, unui mort. Mai este unul.
Thank you. Now I know exactly where he is.
Yeah, I heard him.
Me looting over here.
We can storm him.
Let's all go.
Yeah. Okay.
Go.
Right or left? Right or left, though?
He's dead.
Okay, good. Okay, they're all dead. Good fucking job, boys.
Whoa!
Other guys. Oh! No, I don't see him. Box.
Are they?
They are on the same
Which roof
as
are
us.
they on?
Oh, I see them. They fucking got my chest. Wait.
He has a big gun. I think he has a motion.
I killed one.
Come on. Move ahead.
Cover.
Prawn it.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there on the corner. He's laying to the left of the bar. Left of the metal bar. Okay. I'm bleeding. I need to fix myself up.
Guys, so did you take my assault too, you fucking
was
piece of
yours?
shit? Yes.
Oh.
So you're playing a lot of video games tonight then.
When I quit playing video games today, I'll just crawl from the chair to the bed. I won't stand up. I won't stand up.
I won't
Never stand up. Crawling in my bed.
Let's move.
No. Let's not do it. This is not gonna work out. It's not gonna. This is a bad idea.
Let's see
guys.
what happens.
You're fucking up. We're gonna get sprayed down here. Okay.
He's dead.
Oh, good job, dude. Check the outside.
One is outside.
I don't think he ran into resort. He's probably back.
What you say? That you only meant well.
What?
I don't believe it. Okay, I'm really low stamina, guys. I'm gonna need to wait over here for a few seconds.
I heard somebody on wood. Yeah, people inside.
I never get this luck.
Yeah, there's fighting inside. There's fighting. But I don't know if it's west wing or east wing. I just heard a bunch of bullets.
Oh, there's a dead guy in the entrance. That guy
Oh,
in the
no.
entrance. He's really...
Dude, I think I... Ooh! He killed me. Fuck. They're coming.
Yeah. I see light. I'm gonna nade. Okay.
3 people.
Yeah, I'm nading.
Yeah, boy.
He's juicy as fuck, dude. Good fucking play, guys.
Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.